So within this context, it comes this notion of regeneration, which is a systemic approach grounded in principles of living systems, which actively focuses on bringing back health to social, ecological, economic, and material systems. So the main difference here with the sustainability paradigm, which was important to decrease these hazards, yet insufficient to confront the poly crisis that we're living, is it's bringing back health. So it goes way above doing less harm. And we really need to bring these positive effects and move away from the status quo. So it's not doing less harm and keep same practices, but has a really interesting component for me, which is about revisioning systems. And that is what really attracts me about the paradigm. It is the fact of the need of bringing health back. Yes, and I think a very good way to explain this is through examples, so I can give you a few. Going back to this interesting team composition, there is this really nice venture that came out of innovation, design, and engineering from Imperial College and the RCA, and they have a company called Materra, and what they're doing is they're helping farmers in India to change from doing chemical agriculture and moving to regenerative agriculture. So what's the difference? One is water intensive, toxic intensive, you use all these pesticides, usually it's like a monocrop, so you can see a clear effect of those practices within the soil. A more sustainable approach could be, okay, let's decrease a little bit the toxicity. But now if I compare it with regenerative agriculture, you multi-crop, you don't use pesticides, and you end up using also less water. I think the great value of design is space for possibilities and for the unimaginable. It's not based on anything retrospective, and it has a really important creative element. So what I love, me being a scientist and have been working within art schools and collaborating also with designers and architects also in some projects, is the unbounded imagination, which is not predictable. So this is like also something that AI cannot do.
Yes.
So you get all these strange connections and visions that if it's framed within a certain context, I think you can get very unexpected things, like all these examples that I just gave you. They're coming with designers on board. And I think they're all really powerful, and they're not coming out of pure engineering nor pure science. They're coming actually from mixing a diverse set of talents, but including designers that are thinking far off and that have a lot of oxygen to go far off